Hello friends! American trucks have always been a real spectacle on wheels. Lots of chrome, powerful engines, impressive designs, and luxurious cabins. But what more can we discover about these heavy-duty supermachines? If you've never followed the evolution of American trucks, get ready. What comes next is a real deep dive into the history, technology, and lifestyle of truck drivers in the United States. They push the limits of creativity, transforming their trucks into real palaces on wheels. In today's video, we'll explore how this industry has evolved and how drivers create amazing spaces to live on the solutions were far from perfect and led to the search for more comfortable and practical designs. Starting in the 1950s, manufacturers began to invest more and more in the comfort of the cabs. One of the first advancements came with Corbett, which developed a model where the seats converted into beds. To further increase the interior space, a protrusion was created on the front of the truck. Around the same time, removable sleeping modules appeared, installed at the rear of the cabs. But it was only in the 1970s that the real revolution happened. Thanks to the relaxation of length laws in the United States, trucks could grow in size, making room for larger and more comfortable cabs. During this time, icons like the Peterbilt 362 and the Kenworth K100 Aerodyne emerged, which stood out for their luxury and imposing design. Inside, leather, wood, and enough space for a trucker to stand comfortably. Hollywood movies helped immortalize these legendary models, as we saw in Universal Soldier and Convoy. With the removal of length restrictions in the 80s, cab-over trucks began to be replaced by long hood models. This configuration offered several advantages: better access to the engine, elimination of the raised interior tunnels, and increased safety. These trucks, full of chrome and lights, soon became symbols of power and style on American highways. The cabs began to be equipped with everything a trucker could need: refrigerator, television, powerful sound system, and much more. But for some, this still wasn't enough. That's when truck tuning emerged. In the United States, truck tuning is taken to an impressive level. Drivers customize their vehicles with chrome exhausts, unique windshields, giant wheels, and super luxurious interiors. Some even install sleeping compartments worthy of a luxury home, with a shower, full kitchen, multimedia system, and even space for motorcycles. One of the most impressive examples was the Freightliner Argosy truck, transformed by Twin Custom into a real double-decker motorhome, with everything you can imagine, including a home theater and king-size bed. This is the dream of any American trucker, a fully customized vehicle that allows for total comfort and freedom on the road. American trucks are more than just transportation machines. They are symbols of a culture of freedom, creativity, and comfort on the highways. While in Europe the priority is economy and maneuverability, in the United States the focus is on space and power. These gigantic trucks continue to impress generations and will continue to be a dream for truckers around the world. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and comment below which model you'd like to drive. See you on the next journey.